Hello, my friends. Have you ever felt like the world is just a little too loud sometimes? The phones are ringing, the screens are glowing, and our minds are buzzing with a million things to do. It can feel like we're running a race that never seems to end, and our hearts and minds get tired from all the noise and hurry. We start to wish for a quiet button, a secret place where we can just take a deep breath and feel calm again. Our first journey takes us to the beautiful green forests of Japan. Here, a practice called Shinrin-yoku was born, which translates to forest bathing. It's about bathing your senses in the atmosphere of the forest. Imagine walking under a canopy of tall, wise trees, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind. Simply being present among the trees could wash away stress and bring a deep sense of well-being. In the 1980s, this ancient wisdom was given a name and studied by scientists. They found it had real, measurable benefits. You don't need a vast, ancient forest. Find a park, leave your phone behind, and start by walking slowly. Notice the light, listen for birds, touch bark, breathe in the earthy smell. Let your senses guide you. Next, our journey of discovery takes us high into the Himalayan mountains to the serene monasteries of Tibet. Here, for centuries, monks have used a special tool for meditation and healing: singing bowls. These beautiful bowls, often made from a blend of several metals, create a magical, resonant sound when played. It's a sound that seems to vibrate not just in your ears, but deep within your body and soul. The deep, sustained resonance gives your mind something calm and steady to focus on, gently guiding you into deep relaxation and mindfulness. To play it, gently strike the side of the bowl with a striker, or rest the striker on the rim and slowly circle it to make the bowl sing. Find a quiet place, hold the bowl or place it on a cushion, close your eyes and simply listen. Even 5 minutes can feel like a sound bath, cleansing your mind and leaving you with a profound sense of peace. Our final exploration takes us on a path, but not just any path. A maze has dead ends and tricks. A labyrinth has only one single winding path that leads you to the center and back out again. The act of putting one foot in front of the other on a clearly defined path frees the mind from having to make decisions about where to go. These patterns have been found in cultures all over the world: ancient Greece, Native American traditions, medieval cathedrals. The walk is often seen as having 3 stages: the journey in to release worries, the center to receive insight and peace, and the journey out to integrate what you have found. Stand at the entrance, set an intention or hold a question, then walk at your own pace. Let go of expectations. When you reach the center, pause. Sit or stand. Listen. You might feel peace or an answer gently surface. When you're ready, walk back out and think about how to bring that calm into your everyday life. We've journeyed through forests, mountain echoes, and a sacred path. Now, how do we bring these ancient treasures into our busy modern world? It invites us to weave small moments of peace into our days, like threading a single golden string into a large tapestry. Practice a moment of forest bathing at lunch. Sit under a tree instead of at your desk. Leave your phone on silent. Play a singing bowl for a minute in the morning and again in the evening to signal unwind time. It can bookend your day. Carry the spirit of the labyrinth with you. Trace one with your finger or walk mindfully to the bus stop. By embracing these small acts, we calm ourselves and honor our need for connection, reflection, and peace. Small steps toward peace are victories. The wisdom of the ages lives in these simple, timeless rituals. Isn't it wonderful to know that we are all connected to a long, unbroken line of people who have searched for and found peace? The ancient rituals of forest bathing, singing bowls, and labyrinth walking are like loving letters sent to us from the past. They remind us that the most powerful tools for well-being are often the simplest, and they are available to every single one of us. Think of these rituals as different colors of paint on a palette. Choose what you need each day. This wisdom empowers us to become the creators of our own calm, to be active participants in our well-being. It's a rainbow of possibility. Even after a storm of stress, a moment of colorful peace is waiting to appear. You have everything you need to find it. Be curious. Try one of these gentle practices and see how it feels. Remember, every small step toward peace is a victory.